Hi there, part 50 of the tutorial deals with formatting output. We create a list from database records, then execute conditional formatting to them. As an example, when the rating is 4 and 5, the chip should be green. When the rating is 3, the chip should be orange. When the rating is 1 or 2, the chip should be red. We have just changed one of the ratings to be 5, meaning we want a green chip. We have also added an orange subtitle for each of the items. Let's open our database to explore the schema for the table. Our table has fields with content, and all we want to do is to link the list component to the database. To be able to do this, we need to extract the records from the database, save the list to a state variable, and then bind that list view to that state. In our source code, we build a list view. On this root component, when the component is loaded, we call load applicants. This extracts the applicants. We also have the method to set the color of the chips conditionally. Load applicants opens the SQLite backend, gets the applicants saved, and then save this to the app state. We then add a list view to the page and also indicate where the list view should source what it should display. As an example, each key in the list will be sourced from the ID field. On the right chip we will display content from the rating. The subtitle should be prefixed with applied on, and the date should be nicer. We will add some comments so that we can clarify what this does. The chips that get displayed are color-coded depending on the rating that was earned by the applicant. We have defined a method for this that receives an item and processes it. Let's look at the applicants again. An orange subtitle, color-coded chips, a very nice look. After we have defined the list view options, we then apply the template structure and then change the template afterwards. The template we are defining is applied to each element being listed. This is awesomely done by the v-for directive. The color of the chip is bound to the method getChipColor. The ratings is red and then the appropriate color is applied. When the rating is 1 and 2, the color should be red, 4 and 5 for green, and 3 for orange. That's it, we have covered the conditional color coding. This approach can be applied to any element you want to format.